friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Eberechiayogu. Welcome to Eberechiayogu Health Tune, a channel that teaches you about infectious agents and the diseases they cause. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. And if you have not subscribed and you come across any of my videos, please do well to subscribe. You are helping me to grow, and most importantly, you are learning about your health. Today I want to talk about an infectious disease called syphilis. Syphilis is a highly contagious disease that is spread through sexual activity such as oral sex, anal sex, or vaginal sex. This infection is caused by a bacterium called Treponema pallidum. It can be acquired when someone is exposed to a syphilis sore on another person's body, on a body that is infected. So this syphilis can be transmitted also by sharing needles. It can also be transmitted vertically from mother to child during pregnancy. So what is the symptom of this infection? The symptom of this infection is on stages, like 4 stages, and this infection can be mild or it can go when treated earlier. But if you did not treat it very much earlier, as the stages are going, it is becoming complicated. So in the first instance, primary infection, that's the first symptom. After exposure to the infection, the first symptom is the appearance of a sore on the point of entry, at the genital or on the mouth, because this infection has affinity for epithelial cells. So it appears at the spot where the infection enter the body. That's where it will appear, and this sore is painless and may not be noticeable. For so many people may not notice that they have this sore on their body because it is painless, whereas some will notice the pain, some will notice the sore on their body. So this sore will stay there for like 3 to 6 weeks, depending on your body. It can stay from 3 to 6 weeks, and it will now go on its own if you did not treat it. If this syphilis is not treated, it will enter the second stage of infection, which is secondary infection. So this secondary infection is characterized by appearance of rash on the body, which starts from the trunk, the body, from a body part, trunk, before it will now disseminate to the whole body parts. So this rash may be so fainty at times that you may not notice it, but it may be obvious that you can still notice it. When you notice this rash, it is going to be spots. It is going to be reddish brown or red in color, and it will appear all over your body. So these symptoms will last also for a few weeks. So along with the rashes, there will be white-like sore on the mouth or genital, depending on where the infection is occurring. There will be hair loss, there will be muscle ache, there will be fever and sore throat, there will be fatigue, there will be weight loss, swollen lymph node at this stage of infection. So if this infection is still not treated at this stage, it will enter latent infection. This latent infection can stay for up to 30 years. It can stay for a very long time, which you will not know that you are still having this infection. In this latent infection, is preparing itself for a more complicated stage, which may be very dangerous. This fourth stage is called tertiary stage. If you leave this infection untreated, this tertiary stage can be more dangerous. It can damage the brain, it can damage the nerve cells, it can damage the eyes, It can damage the heart, the blood vessels, the liver, and it can cause bone and joint damage. So this infection can be treated with antibiotics. So even if you treat this infection early enough, one dose of that antibiotics can take care of this infection. But some people, because they are asymptomatic, they will not notice that they are having this infection, and they will not treat it until it enters the stage 4, which is the major complicated one. So what are the prevention of this infection? The prevention of this infection is to run away from sexual activities, or to have a trusted partner, one trusted partner that you know that is not infected with syphilis. So this is it. And if you take care of your health, you are going to live long. Go to the hospital and keep on checking yourself regularly against infectious agents. They are our enemies in this world. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you. Bye.